education and learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions. You got it. Problem 2. What? I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem 3. 4 minus... I can't believe it. You're incredible. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, right-click on the object with the quarter selected. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
I want to play with someone.
I am looking for you.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Looks like it's sweeping time.
I want to play with someone.
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Looks like it's sweeping.
Will you marry me?
Looks like it's
I want to play with someone.
sweeping time. Looks like it's sweeping time.
Let's play. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great! Let's play again sometime soon. I wanna play with someone.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... Get out while you
You should know better.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Someone.
Like it's sweeping time.
Someone.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Looks like it's sweeping time.
Someone.